Most people fail at trading not because they aren't smart enough or because they haven't worked hard enough. They fail because they're obsessed with the wrong layer of the problem. While you're chasing the perfect entry or a 90% win rate indicator, professional traders are focused on something much less exciting, but infinitely more important: survival. Today, I'm showing you the IBF trading blueprint, the framework that turns gambling into a business. Think about the questions you ask yourself. Is it, how do I make money this month? That is the retail trap. It leads to overtrading, oversized positions, and eventually a blown account. Professional traders ask a different question. How do I avoid blowing up over the next 10 years? They don't manage money, they manage exposure. If that shift makes you uncomfortable, good. It means you're finally engaging with the layer that actually creates longevity. To survive like a pro, you need 3 non-negotiable pillars from the IBF blueprint. First, the 8 to 10 position rule. Stop obsessing over one trade. You need a book of 8 to 10 concurrent positions so no single idea can emotionally or financially break you. Second, hard stops with no exceptions. A mental stop is just hope with better branding. Every trade in this framework has a hard exit defined before the trade even exists. Third, capital recycling. When you hit a stop, you don't mourn, you don't revenge trade. You recycle that capital back into the portfolio and move on to the next data point. Here is the hard truth. Correct trading is often boring. If your trading feels like a roller coaster of dopamine and adrenaline, you aren't trading, you're gambling. In the IBF framework, inactivity is a position. Boredom is a sign of discipline. If you can't accept a flat month or a small routine loss, you haven't mastered the cost of staying alive. I've put the full IBF trading blueprint in the description. Read it slowly. But don't just take my word for it. Prove your discipline on a demo account first. If you can't follow these rules when no money is at risk, you'll never follow them when it is. Click the link, download the blueprint, and stop trading for excitement. Start trading for survival, because growth is just a byproduct of not blowing up. Survival first, growth second, speculation never. I'll see you in the next one.